pads were designed with today's pickiest detailing professionals in mind. Engineered to specific requirements of our OEM clients, these pads utilize the best foams from around the world and the latest of testing and research and development. Much like the way bees build a honeycomb to distribute honey evenly, hex logic pads keep product in the grooves as the pad is spun and rubbed against the surface, delivering a superior, accurate finish while keeping the surface constantly lubricated. Yellow heavy cutting pad. Use this pad to apply compounds or polishes to remove severe oxidation, swirls, and scratches. Orange medium heavy cutting pad. This firm, high-density foam is ideal for scratch and defect removal. Black finishing pad. This pad has an ultra-soft composition for applying refined paste waxes and sealants, as well as cream wax.